I just want people to see me as me, like approach me like any other person. I'm still the same, nothing's changed, and yeah, I just want to be treated the same. I think a lot of people think we can't do things for ourselves, like just pushing down the street, trying to get up a curb, for instance. Like people see you like, oh, like, I've got to help him. And it's so just little things like that. People think that we're super disabled, but we like doing things for ourselves still. My passion is sport. I love sport. I've always loved it. I like watching it. Sport's pretty much my life. I don't know what I'd do without it. I had friends and family with me 24/7 after my accident, so I really had no time to think about the negatives about this. So yeah, I put everything to my friends and family. They've been amazing throughout this process. My greatest accomplishment would have to be making the New Zealand wheelchair rugby team. Thought it was a long shot when I first started playing, but I've slowly built up, and yeah, here I am, so I think it's pretty cool. I think just going back to positivity if they're in my situation, just stay strong and don't neglect yourself from the people trying to help, because they are trying to help and they are there for you. Once I had my injury, independence was a big thing. I couldn't do much for myself, so I was getting pretty babied by the nurses because I was so young. And I actually had Sholto Taylor, who's another member of the All Blacks, who actually works at the spotty unit. So he'd come in and we got chatting, and he'd just pick up on little things I was getting help with. He's like, come on man, like, you can do that yourself. And ever since then I've sort of built a tolerance to, if I can do something, then I'll try and do it. Getting into wheelchair rugby is a whole different story. Something tiny, the guys would just give me crap for not doing it. So yeah, it's just a sort of brotherhood. The guys want you to improve, not only in just your independence, but as a person. So yeah, I think I wouldn't be here independence-wise if I didn't have wheelchair rugby. Awesome. I hate asking for help. It's just not what I'm used to. So yeah, having independence, just to do little things like fill my water bottle, it's just awesome, yeah.